morning, welcome to another video. As you can see, we have a very large tool chest there. Now I'm going to do, I guess, an unboxing, because this isn't mine. Well, it wasn't up until I bought it. It was an online auction which I won, and it was basically a job lot. The tool chest and all the tools you can see in the picture. So now I've got it, I'm going to open it up and show you what we've got. It's got a pair of axle stands with it. Now, appears I can't find the locking pins for those. I should be able to source them, and I might go and just check to make sure they're okay, but they look pretty alright. The cabinet itself, bit of surface rust, but it's got a label on the back, made in the USA, and I'm presuming that at some point it had something there which is a badge of its brand, but I've got no idea what it is. And the guy was very honest with me and said that the key had been lost as well, but it is open, he said. There we go. And the story behind it is the guy was a former motor mechanic having a declutter. Right. Drawer number one. I'm probably not going to go for absolutely everything in here. I think I might have to come back. Oh, Williams Super Slim 516 AFs. I think these are for brakes. Right. And another one. 5/16. 5/16. Holfords 11mm, 10mm. Nice. Huh. Okay. Precision screwdrivers. I think some of these has been sat for a while. Did retire some years back. Worth 9mm. That's 5. 4mm. 8mm, 6mm. 5.5. Germany. India. The drawers run really well. It's obviously a good quality piece of kit. Okay, pliers. No names on those. Oh, what does that say? Richmond. Oh, that's a big old pair. Lot absolutely solid. Oh. Yeah, need a clean up. Some more combinations. Another pair of diagonal cutters. And then a little pair as well. Duckbills. Duckbill pliers. Wow. I might have to split this video up, guys. Oh my goodness me. Oh, whoa. I knew it were heavy. Anything stands out straight away. Brytle. 16mm Brytle. Draper. Is that 14 Draper? Yeah. Helka. Helka. India. Oh. I wasn't expecting all this. This guy obviously bought decent quality stuff, didn't he? Whitworth set as well. Just a real mixture, isn't there? Screwdrivers. Oh, you can tell these have had some use over the years. Look at this. Big old brand on it. Oh, another Hilker. Foreign. Germany, I think I heard somebody say they come from. Little stubbies as well. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness me. What's all going here? My goodness me. Got extension bars. Halfords extension bar there. Draper. What's this? This is a Draper as well. No? Ah, Sykes Pickavant. Little 1/4 inch. Sounds good. Chrome Vanadium. Loads and loads of extension bars. Is that an inch? That's an inch, isn't it? Inch. Made in USA, I think that says. What does that say? Bloody hell. Oh. I spot sockets. Oh, goodness me, what have we got in here? And a big honking pin. What's this one here? Another Breitel 3/4 inch Whitworth. Sorting through, don't they? 5/16. Oh, that's had a bit of a bash into it. Look at that. You know what? I think we're going to have to pair these up and come back. Oh my goodness me, we've got more stuff. We've got hammers. Oh, big split on that hammer. Elora. The German Allen key, drop forged. There's just loads and loads in here, but no, I really wasn't expecting all this. You got the bottom, I like that. Handles come off and he's replaced it with the wooden one. That's a bit of ingenuity, isn't it? That's a bit loose, I think. Yeah, it's a bit bent under there. Straighten that out, not a problem. What's that under there? Let's use a wobbly camera work. Clutch mate. That's it. Because he couldn't 100% guarantee everything that was in the box, he suddenly came out and he gave me another load of stuff. There's all this stuff in here as well. I'll just put it into here. It's a spray. It's a spray handle, isn't it? What's that? What timing is it? No, it's a timing set. VWs. Pair of circlip pliers. Another pair of pliers. There's loads and loads of stuff in there. Wow. Really, I was just buying it for this because I've been after a replacement tool chest. I really didn't think I'd get all this in here. Along with that, the nose. So, I don't know what to say. And I paid a fair price as well. I paid a fair price. Part of me thinks I should have paid him a bit more. Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through, I'm going to get everything sorted out and then pair them up. There's some other stuff in there which look really good as well, which I'm going to have a proper route through. Check back, and thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next video. Any comments, love to hear them. Till next time, bye for now.